aluminium windows and doors provide years of reliable, efficient service. Sometimes, however, there are minor tweaks or adjustments that may be required to keep your product in the best working order. If you notice that your sliding door seems out of square, where you can see an uneven line of daylight when the door is slightly open, then this is easily fixed. If you see more daylight at the top of the door than the bottom, then you'll raise the front roller. Alternatively, if the gap is wider at the bottom, you'll need to raise the back roller. You may need to consider lowering both rollers if they are already at the end of their adjustment range. Lift the sliding door slightly so that the weight is taken off the rollers. You might need a second person to hold the door while you adjust the screw. Use a Phillips or flathead screwdriver to wind the adjustment screw to raise or lower the roller as required. Remember to check the results as you go so that you don't over-adjust. Once you're happy that the door is square, check that the lock works. If not, refer to our maintenance tip on sliding door lock adjustments. If you have any questions or run into any difficulties with your product, please make contact with your installer or service technician. They're here to help.